In this video, I'll guide you on how to compress a video without losing the video quality using this free tool. Over here is the video I want to compress. If you go over to the properties, we will see the video size as 95 MB. And if you close the properties and open the video, we can see how clear it is. So to compress the video, we should go to our browser. When the browser is open, we go over to the search bar and search for Handbrake 2. Then we select the first result over here and click on download. When the download page opens, we can then see different download links for different operating systems. We can see the one for the Mac OS, for the Windows operating system, and for the Linux operating system. I'll go to the Windows link and click on the download exe installer because I'm using a Windows PC. In this case, you can choose based on your operating system if you're using a Mac or a Linux. Once you click on the download link, it starts downloading automatically. Then over the top right corner, you see the download progress. When it finishes downloading, click on the file here to open it. Then you follow the installation process till you're done. Now go over to your desktop. Then go to Handbrake shortcut and click on it to open it. But if the Handbrake shortcut doesn't appear on your desktop, you can go over to your Windows search bar and search for Handbrake. Then you go over to it and click on open over here to open the app. For me, I'll open the app through the Windows shortcut. When it opens, you'll be prompted to download or update the .NET Windows runtime. Click on download it. When you click on it, it will redirect you to your browser where it will start downloading automatically. After downloading it, click on the file over here and follow the installation process till it's completed. Then you go back and open the Handbrake app. When it opens up, you can select on folder to select a folder with videos in it, or you can select the file option to select a particular video file, or you can also drag and drop a video over here. So for me, I'll use the file option, then I'll click on it. Then my file manager will open up. The video I want to compress is in the desktop folder, so I'll go over to the desktop and click on the video to import it to my Handbrake app. Now here we are in the Handbrake app. So there are a few key settings we will need to change. Firstly, we change the preset settings. We click on it, then this drop down of options will appear. Then we go down and select fast 1080p30, the default option. Then you go over to the format settings and select MP4. Then come down, you can select web optimized option to make it optimized on the web. Then you go over to video tab. Under the video encoder, select H.264x264. Then under frame rate, click on same as source and select constant frame rate over here. So these are the main settings you have to do. Next up, we go over to save as, then rename the video. After that, we click on browse. Here you can select the folder you want the video to be saved in. So we'll be selecting the desktop folder so that it will be in the same folder with the original video, and click on save. Then we go over to the top and click on start encode, and it will start the encoding process. Over here at the bottom, there will be a progress bar and we'll have to wait for it to finish. When it's done encoding, it will show queue finished. Then we can close the Handbrake app. Over here in the desktop is our compressed video. We'll now have to drag it next to the original video. Now let's confirm their file sizes and click on it. Here you can see that the original video size is 95 MB, and we do the same thing for the compressed video. After clicking on the properties, you see that the video is just 15 MB. Now let's check the video quality of the original one. You can see how clear it is. Now let's do the same for the compressed one. No difference at all. So that's it on how to compress a video without losing video quality. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, write it down in the comment section.